Hello. I was asked to see what is the problem with this pressure washer. It looks brand new, but there is a problem. You cannot pull the cord to start the engine. It could be that the engine is locked due to a mechanical problem, or the recoil starter is broken, or somebody left the fuel valve open and the fuel filled the cylinder, so now I cannot turn it. First, I will remove the recoil starter. To get to it, I must remove the air filter cover. Press this tab and it comes off. Complete air filter housing must be removed to pull out the starter. Two rubber hoses are holding the plastic. I like to keep the carburetor in place so it will not fall off. Now the fuel hose is holding it. See, when the recoil starter is off the flywheel, I can pull the cord. No problem. But I must remove it to get access to the flywheel. When this valve is closed and I remove the hose here, it will not spill gasoline. It will be easier to remove it from the carburetor and leave it on the cover. The valve must be taken off the cover too. One bolt with a nut behind. And it is off the engine. It drips, so I plug it. Oh, it doesn't move. Now I will remove the spark plug. It looks brand new. It is dry inside. Let's check the oil. No oil on the dipstick. Just some oil residue at the bottom. The owner claims it's just stopped after running for a few minutes. Maybe the motor is seized. I will put just a teaspoon of ATF into the cylinder. It has excellent penetrating and lubricating properties. 1 hour later. Now it turns. The spark plug goes back in. Turning the engine, I can feel compression. There is hope. The recoil starter goes back. It turns. Time for the fuel line. And now the air filter housing goes back. Oil in. Let's check it. Oil is this thing machines love and cannot live without. Now we have full crankcase. Look, there is still a tag hanging here, which says no oil in unit. Fill with oil before starting. So it came from the factory without oil. Okay, the tank is full of gasoline. I open the fuel valve and wait a bit to let the fuel fill the carburetor. The lever into choke position. Actually, it is hard to operate. Maybe it needs adjustment. It's alive! And under pressure. Few remarks. Always store, operate, and transport any engine in an upright position. Otherwise, the needle valve in the carburetor will let the fuel into the cylinder and the crankcase. Not good. When the engine doesn't run, close the fuel valve. Before the seasonal storage, introduce some fogging oil into the cylinder to prevent rust. And it runs. Till next time.